In this lecture, we are going to write a program which could read the user input and print it on the screen, but the goal is not for you to just be able to read the user input, since if you wanted to see such a program, you could just easily search through the internet and see a lot of good and even better and free resources on the internet which write a program and tell you how to read the user input. But our purpose in here, like always, is to prove a point rather than just writing some code which you could copy paste. We want to prove a point and give you a deep science and knowledge, even though along with that you would learn about different system calls to be able to read the user input and some other instructions. But the main purpose for teaching you like this for the project based I guess lectures is for you to learn something in the background or some knowledge that usually are not taught in different courses and books. So let us just get to it. First I type ls in my terminal, and these are the program that we have created for our course. Now what we have in our mind is to just use other programs in here and just improve it. So the hello world.nasm, I want to again just copy that hello world.nasm inside another file. Let me just name it read input.nasm and hit enter. Now we get to the read input.nasm, and in here we have the file.